Hi everyone, this is Michelle with Elegant Wedding Invites, and I am recording this video for you all to explain a little bit more in detail what you need to include in your wedding invitation suite. For a lot of brides, when they first start out researching online, they can get quite overwhelmed on what to include in their invitations because there can be so many different elements, and honestly it's confusing. So I'm gonna try to explain a little bit what you need to include. First and foremost, the main invitation, which is the most important. So Elegant Wedding Invites offers these beautiful laser cut pockets in a variety of colors and styles. So a really nice way to showcase your invitation would be to include it in one of these beautiful pockets. This one in particular is blush, and we also have this beautiful navy shimmer pocket. So you can showcase your main invitation here in the middle, and then you can insert your enclosures in here. So the next thing you want to include in your invitation suite is your RSVP card. And this is pretty standard for most invitations. You include your RSVP card along with the response envelope, and this usually has your address printed on the envelope, and it's a nice, thoughtful gift to include the stamp on this envelope. That way you can make it as easy as possible for your guests to fill out the reply card, stick it in the envelope, and pop it in the mail. Next is, I like to split this up into two categories to make it easier for everyone: the large enclosure and the small enclosure.